How to fix voicemail not working in Moto G17 Power. First of all, clear voicemail cache. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search voicemail. Now click on voicemail. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. And now here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, voicemail will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset mobile network setting, and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for update, and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail not working in Moto G17 Power. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.